Oob, you got your mic? Huh?
Oh.
Yeah. Test it.
Activate shadow.
Is that you? Activate shuttle? Alright.
What?
Oh, dude, you can't
what'd
go
you say?
there. You've been found out. Oh my god. You went straight to the duck.
That's a duck! That's a duck tap!
Just take note and watch out for it.
That's a duck tap. They're ducking.
Alright, I think we got a
Duck
duck.
tap.
Watch out for Oob.
So funk.
Oob
So
so funk.
funkalicious.
Yeah, he's with me.
I'm getting lost in the map.
How about you, Marin? Are you a ducker? Are you a mother ducker?
No. It's nasty.
I let that bitch you are!
Fix
That's
it.
mother ducker!
Fix the comms. Comms.
Hello.
Are you a mother ducker? You're a duck, aren't you? You're a duck!
No, I'm not. Fix the comms, dragon. Oh, nice. Wait, let me confirm it. Watch out for Eris. She looks fun. Oh,
Watch out for me, my butt!
That's convenient.
they got petals and.
I have found her.
Hey! I
Yeah.
killed him, I killed him. Oh no!
She was in the plant area.
Oh,
Whatever the. Hang on. I'll tell you. Hang on. Oh, the map disappeared. What?
it's okay. Agriculture, that's like south. I
Yeah.
mean, northwest. Oh,
Oh!
that's a failed assassination.
They were the assassins.
Wow.
Screwdriver. I'm a goose with a screwdriver. I'm a goose with
Are
a
you a fucking
screwdriver.
duck?
All right.
Uh-huh.
So, then we got two.
I'm a goose with a screwdriver.
A mechanic.
Okay. With
Oh, that's all. That's the only thing I'm gonna tell of my role. Only
Okay.
that.
Technician? Never mind.
Dang it.
either
Could be a mechanic or technician.
Yeah.
They're not technician.
But
They're
there is,
mechanic.
there is an assassin, so don't really say my role.
No, I think
I'm
the
just
assassin's
giving
dead.
you a hint.
We saw Oob.
yeah.
Yeah, I
Because
think
they
the duck-
literally
If
saw.
there's another shot next round, next meeting, if there's a shot.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure they just shot themselves.
Yeah, most
Yeah.
likely.
I'm pretty sure there's only a
Assassin shot
Falcon left.
But there's two
Oh,
ducks.
looks like
There's
someone
two
Make
ducks.
sure you do your task.
There's
Looks
two
like there's a spy. among
ducks.
the-
Ducks is
Looks
what.
like there's a spy.
There's two ducks.
Pew,
But
pew,
they're blind.
You and me together again?
Yeah. What about it? You can't. You can't do it.
You're safe, right? You're safe. You're safe.
She keeps following me. Watch out for Eris. Anyone here in the vents? Please don't do it. Please. Where's the body?
It's the other allergens. I don't know who is the other allergen.
That's a morpher.
The other
So
allergen.
it's okay. We still have one more duck. Where's the body? Where did you see it? The body.
He lets know where is again.
I can't remember. It was below like the plants, like the plant section.
Agriculture.
It's below there. I can't remember what that's called. Agriculture. Yeah, it's below agriculture. I just walked onto it.
All right. Eris was
yeah.
chasing me, so it
I-
can't be her.
So yeah, I was stuck. in
'Cause you
the
don't
other
trust you.
ship.
I do not think it's a self-report. I'm just gonna say that.
It's not myself. I swear. There was another allergen.
Yeah, it's
But the
a,
allergen, so
Yeah.
so
Lisa got stuck.
it looks to
Uh,
me. I'm down to Helios, Wolf, and Nasty.
it's not me. I am Sharon. I'll just say that. I tried to kill Purple, but then he.
Alright.
I'm going for.
I think it's blue because they just haven't said anything.
Nasty, anything you want to say?
Okay, now it's okay.
Wolf, you guys think?
Oh,
you guys
what
think it's-
again?
Just kill Pants if that's the case.
That's. I can
Who do we
sense the
think it is?
bloodlust. I can sense the bloodlust. There we go.
What's the gun? Who has the gun?
Me, I do.
It's no Pants. It's no Pants.
I'm gonna
Check
trust
on
you.
them.
Watch out for the ones who
Okay,
are
it's no
trying to
Pants.
touch
It's
you.
no Pants. It's no Pants. It's
It's not. He
Nope.
was too.
Alright, wait.
I would him too.
Alright, I executed him.
Oh!
Oh,
what?
how?
Well,
Are you sheriff?
yeah. No, vigilante.
Wait.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh no! Oh my god! Wait, what?
oh, sheriff.
Alright.
Oh my god! I killed my own guy.
Yeah, I should have said vigilante.
Yeah, well, then I could have been vigilante.
I'm so confused.
I am so sorry.
Like, you should buy some.
Let's go.
Oh,
I actually got a
I
good
am
kill.
The green cells is gone.
I am so.
I'm so
good.
sorry.
I am so happy.
I want to hug you right now. I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
I am so happy that I saved up that detective thing.
Yeah, that was honestly good. Wait,
Was
did
Pal.
I kill the falcon?
I was
Pal.
Falcon.
Warren's a falcon. I tripped
I
you.
sense Julius was a sheriff. I
He
sensed
literally
it.
just walked up.
I should have said vigilante.
Yeah. I think you were saying it at the end.
Ready up.
Oh god.
If I was, I
am
did like
so happy.
completely trust you, and then you said you were sheriff.
Yeah.
gonna say
But
that.
also was
I
a bit
had
off
nothing
was
to do.
just.
When you,
Well,
when you
that's
said
in
you
the
have a
name.
gun,
I guess.
Julius, when you said you have a gun, you said, okay, I trust this guy. That means I have to. I have
Oh,
to
snap.
check on Pants.
Kill someone.
I have to check on Pants. And yeah, I saw there's a devil sign. And I was shocked
Yeah.
that nothing happened until. Wait, does that mean there's another duck? And then you killed Warren. And God!
Yeah, I should have said vigilante.
Yeah.
That was working well.
Oh my god.
Until that.
If you would have said vigilante, you may have won.
Yeah.
Although I was probably still gonna kill you because, like, it would have been the best thing. I'm not really sure.
That one brain cell.
Always,
One
always trust
Are
a
you guys ready?
always trust a goose with a gun. Okay,
I'm good.
sure.
My heart skipped a beat when I saw it. I transformed into Owl and everybody was in there. I was like, oh no.
Bang, bang, bang.
Oh, we're getting
I
started.
trusted
Did
you,
the
Warren. I
assassin kill
trusted
himself?
you.
Yeah, it was a failure.
Yep.
Yeah.
Failed assassination.
Yeah.
We saw it.
I am
Who'd
the
you try to
assassin.
kill?
I killed myself. I am the assassin. I killed myself.
I don't think
Why?
so. That was a failed guess. Alright, we're starting.
Yeah.
You made it harder for me, man.